Hello, my fellow yarn bombers. It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and today I thought I would bring you along with me on my journey to turn this messy yarn studio into a brand new one. So, as I mentioned earlier, I have been contemplating a lot about moving my yarn studio from this current location to my upstairs attic. And then I'm going to take all my desks and my desk chairs, my shelves, all my yarn and everything, and put it in one central location. So I'm going to show you do a before and after. So I'm hoping this would be a great beneficial endeavor because it's a long time coming, and I just want to get this cleared out and done so that way I can make more. That way I can just have everything in one central location, so I'm not going everywhere to find the yarn I need. So. Alright, so I'm going to take you along with me, so here we go. Alright, so I am currently in my current, I don't know why I'm saying current like a bunch of times, in my current location for my crafting room, so I will show you what I had to deal with, so let me turn this around real quick. Alright, so this is the state of my craft room right now. As you can tell, it's a little cluttered. I have a bunch of different things going on here. I have my blocking boards up, and then it's okay, but then I have all these shelves here that's kind of hindering my workspace. So I am wanting to move all this, and I have some yarns and shelving under here that I want to move as well. And I think I have some bags behind there that you can't really tell because it's dark. And then I have some of my blankets, and I have some of my other yarn accessories for other crafting things. And I have this little shelf here that has more yarns. And then I have more yarn over here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the before. Okay, so this is the current state of the proposed space where I want to put all of my crafting accessories in my craft room. So papers on the floor and all the sort of stuff I want to move out of the way. So I got all my pagan stuff over here, and I got my little armchair. It's just a mess up here, so I want to clear all this out, go through all this and see what I don't want and just get rid of or donate. And again, this is the before. What is up, my fellow yarn bombers? It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and as you can tell, I am all settled in my new craft space, and you can see I got some signage up and got my Crafty Crocheter sign right here, and I got some shelving over here, got some shelving behind me, and then I'm going to take you in a panoramic view of the entire space. It's a work in progress, but I thought I want to show you all what I have so far, so here we go. Alright everyone, welcome to my new craft room, and as you can tell, I made a vast improvement. This is the after. So I'm going to take you through right now. So over here I have some of my bins, and then I got my little cubby with the 8 drawers on it. And then over here I have some signage there. Then I have the 3-tiered cubby drawer, and I got a couple of these little bins right here. I think I'm gonna get a couple more, so may stack up here, but I think I kind of want to leave it the way it is because I have the sign up there, so I may just leave it. And then again, there's the sign. And then over here is right here. I got 2 little end tables on the side of my armchair, so whenever I am going to do some crocheting up here or reading, I'm going to sit in that chair and just do my work. Again, that side of the room, that's not mine. That is my husband's mess, so hopefully he doesn't see this. And then this is still work in progress. I got all my blocking stuff over here, and I got some more yarn bins down here, and then I got a basket for all of my polyfill, and I got some extra things in there I gotta sort through. And then I have this little shelving unit here. It's still work in progress, but it serves me well. And I got some of my scraps over here. Well, not my scraps, my swatches over here. And I got some of my finished products as part of my store. And I got the Marrakesh blanket up there. And I have one of my anniversary cakes yarn there. And this was It's a full sheet set. I'm still in good use, so I may use it for something. And then another shelving unit. I had this before. This is a three cubby shelving unit, and I got this bin for my yarn scraps in here from previous projects. And then I got this one's got several drawers in it. And this top drawer I have for all my tiny little skeins of yarn. And then this bottom one here, I have some more yarns, and I got some assorted things. I'm still going to go through this, so this may not be the current status once this is done. And then more yarns in those little bins. And I have to take into account the angle of the eave up here, so this is why I'm kind of tilting my head to the side a little bit. And that's why the number of shelves are off kilter, because of the eave. And as I go through here, it's a little higher. And then this is my desk. And I really cleared this out, so I wanted to have a lot of space for my crafting, so I can just spread out without being congested or hindered by other things. So my amigurumi, there's some signage. And then I got my little whiteboard up here, which I have for all of my current projects and where I'm at in them. Yes, Ohio Pride. And yes, I live in Akron, so I just spilled the beans on that one. And then another bin full of other accessories. Like I have extra tiles. I got some crochet thread and some swatches. It's a little bit of felt. And then I got some aromatherapy oils for my diffuser. And then I have a 3-shelf unit. I got up here for my sewing, crocheting over here. Got some of my crochet books over here, some cards. I got a couple of those amigurumi kits in here. I got another drawer full of other things in here. Safety eyes, and behind this one thing, I just got some binders I'm going to do for scrapbooking, for my wine scrapbooking, and my swatch crocheted swatches, scrapbooks, and then and the big one over here, that big binder, that's going to be for all of my printed out crochet patterns. So that, my fellow ladies and gentlemen, is the after. And I'm going to back up again so you can get a better feel for it. The scope of things. This side, and I'm going to turn around. Hope I didn't make you too dizzy. And then it's still a work in progress, so I'm still working through all this, but so far this is looking really good. So I may do another update video as far as what the finished product looks like. So this is my yarn room. All right, so I hope everyone enjoyed this video as much fun I had in making it. So I just wanted to show you my current idea flow, what goes on in my brain sometimes, but overall this craft room turned out to be really great. So again, as I said, it's a work in progress, but I have like maybe 90% of it done. I just got to go through some minor things. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Grab those crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. Love each other, help each other out, spread love and not hate. We got to yarn bomb this place and make it a better place, a more beautiful place for all. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you get notified whenever new videos are released. And I am in the process of creating more tutorial videos and so forth. I may do some more yarn haul videos and so forth, so stay tuned for that. The weather here, we just had a passing rain that came through here. It wasn't a thunderstorm, it was more of a quick rain, and then that was it. But we really needed it because it's been really dry here for almost 2 weeks. So yeah. Anyway, on that note, take care of yourself and each other.